We are discussing about GATE 1990 ECE paper, and this is one mark question. Which of the following effects can be caused by a rise in temperature? A. Increase in MOSFET current, increase in BJT current, decrease in MOSFET current, decrease in BJT current. If you are increasing the temperature, at that time what happens to the BJT current and MOSFET current? The answer for this one is BJT current is going to be increases, BJT current is increases, and MOSFET current is going to be gets reduces. This is a correct option. So both answers are going to be right. B and C are going to be right answers. Okay, and we will see the details. In case of BJT, we know that one BJT collector current is equal to IC is equal to beta IB times of 1 plus beta times of IC naught. This is what the equation for the collector current. And we know that one as temperature increases, more number of covalent bonds will break. As more number of covalent bonds will break, more number of minority carriers increases. Whenever minority carriers are increases, at that time reverse saturation current increases, because reverse saturation current is only depends on minority carriers, so that IC naught increases. From that one we can say that one IC increases. So collector current of BJT increases as temperature increases, because reverse saturation current is increasing, and that is going to be multiplied by 1 plus beta times, and that will be the increase caused in the IC. So answer B is going to be right. There will be increase in BJT current. Next, if you are going with FET, at that time in FET as temperature increases, mobility of charge carriers is going to be reduces. Whenever the mobility of charge carriers increases, current is going to be gets reduces. So because of this region, the decrease is going to be taking place in the MOSFET current, and because of this region, MOSFET doesn't find an effect called thermal runaway. Thermal runaway effect is not there in MOSFET, but it is present in BJT, because thermal runaway is nothing but it's a process of increasing reverse, that is thermal runaway is going to be defined as like this. As temperature increases, at that time as temperature increases, reverse saturation current increases, collector current increases, power dissipation across the collector base junction JC is going to be increases. Whenever power dissipation increases, temperature increases. So again the reverse saturation current increases, again the collector current increases, again the power dissipation increases, so again the temperature increases. It's going to be a cumulative process. So within fraction of time the BJT gets damaged. So this is going to be called as thermal runaway. Thermal runaway is nothing but it's a self destruction of transistor as temperature increases. Anyhow it can be compensated, that we don't discuss now. So this effect as temperature increases, this thermal runaway effect is not there in the MOSFET, because as temperature increases, as we see, drain current is going to be gets reduces. Drain current ID gets reduces. So whenever drain current gets reduces, there is no chance of getting more power dissipation. Whenever there is no chance of getting more power dissipation, the temperature across the junction cannot be increased. So there is no chance of getting thermal runaway. Okay. So the right answer for this one is nothing but B and C. Thank you.